Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to simplify fractions. There are basically two steps of simplifying fractions. You are going to find the GCF, and you're going to divide the numerator and the denominator by that GCF. Remember, to find the GCF, you first do your prime factorization, whether it's the cake method or the factor tree, and then you circle the numbers that they have in common. You place those numbers in the center, in the common area, or the shared area of your Venn diagram, and you multiply those numbers together. We're then going to take that GCF and we're going to divide that, divide that into our fraction, and that will simplify our fraction. So let's take 32, and we will go ahead and divide this. So we get 8 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 can still be broken down into 2 times 2. And remember, I'm going to bring down my other 2's. I wrote a 3. Write down my other 2's so I keep all my prime numbers aligned. I'm now going to take 48. I'm going to do 48 the cake way, cake method. 2 goes into 48 24 times. 2 goes into 24 12 times. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. So now we'll draw our Venn diagram. Okay. I'm going to highlight the numbers that I have in common. I can see here that I have a 2 in common, matched up with this 2. I have a 2 here, matched up with this one. I have a 2 here, matched up with this one. And I have one last 2 here, matched up with this 2. So I'm now going to take my 2's, all of my 2's, place them in the center, which are 4 2's. Place my 2 on the outside here of my 32 circle, and on my 48 circle I'm going to place my 3. My GCF is all the numbers inside the overlapped area multiplied. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 2 is 16, so my GCF is equal to 16. I now go to step 2, and step 2 says divide your numerator and denominator by your GCF. 16 goes into 32 2 times, and 16 goes into 48 3 times. The simplified fraction of 32 over 48 is 2/3. On my next page here, I have 3 different fractions that you can work on. Just remember to follow the steps earlier in the tutorial where you find the GCF first, and then you take that GCF and divide your numerator and denominator by that same number.